Hello again from VentTabs. Hey, I wanted to show you a situation you might run into, pretty common. This is the air vent in your vehicle. It's actually installed like that inside the dashboard. So what you see is the louvers, it's in a rack system, have become detached from the front of the vent. So in this case, I am installing VentTabs, universal vent tab. So it's pre-marked, and we're basically gonna slide it on, click it into place. You can hear that. And now we are going to install it so these drivers on the back of the vent tab align with the vertical driver inside of the vent. You can see this, the vertical driver, it's unique, it is round, and that is where we are going to align the back of the vent tab as you install it. We've set this rack of louvers into the vent. We align the teeth, and now it is fully engaged, and you can see it directs the vent. The vent is working. As you can see, that is a duct in the back. This is what you would see on the front of your vent. So just wanted to show you the components, and each vent is very unique, but I think you can get yourself through it. Check us out. We have a lot of material on VentTabs.com. Thanks.